scheme of it and I like the price of it, I'll buy it. I've never seen Unstoppable. Hello, Lancaster. Hello, Wisconsin. Hello, Australia. Whoop, whoop, across the globe. This is great. Okay, since Australia chimed in, let's see where everybody's from. I'm from New York City here, Staten Island. Where's everybody from? Estonia. I buy my trains at a couple different places. North Carolina, Alabama, Wisconsin, Georgia, Jersey, Ottawa, Florida, Indianapolis, Atlanta. Well, I'm missing some stuff here. Toledo, Seattle, Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, Cincinnati, Kentucky. Our prayers are with you, Kentucky. Baltimore, Norway, Alabama, Jackson Heights, Ohio, Newcastle, UK, Minnesota, Orlando, Vegas, Chicago, Connecticut, Scotland, whoop, whoop, UK, whoop, whoop, London, England, whoop, Illinois, Minnesota, Fort Wayne. The oldest train I have is a 1951 New York Central Berkshire. UK, California, Kansas City, San Antonio, Germany, yes, Boston. I love the Europeans. We love Europe. Me and my wife been to Europe many times. Here's pictures from London right here. London, right here. This is Switzerland. Hello, Kentucky. This is more London. This is Switzerland. San Antonio, Kentucky, the Netherlands. We were in the Netherlands. Right here, Amsterdam. Right here, Amsterdam again. Johnny, you're the man, Johnny. Pleasure seeing you. Listen, John, you got to get your son on here. Georgetown, Texas. Trinidad. This is Barcelona. That's Rome. Hello, Long Island. Hello, London. Outback, Australia. Yes. This is Venice, Italy. Wow, I can't believe I got 400 viewers. Oh, anytime, Johnny, anytime. Always a pleasure talking to you, Johnny. Always. New York's a great place to visit.